You want to know the story of pieces of paper? Okay. So, the modern education is to get that big piece of paper. What is that big piece of paper? The certificate. And then when we get that big piece of paper, what do? We frame it, दीवार पे टंगा के, सब लोग आके देख भैया 5 साल लगाए थे, मर घिस के ये इतना बड़ा पीस ऑफ पेपर मिला है, फ्रेम करके सब लोग देखते रहो कि मैं किन जोखिमों से गुजरा हूं, देखो टंगा हुआ है दीवार पे. So for that one piece of paper, what happens? The story begins from first standard, second standard, and then 10th standard, board exams, then 12th board, then engineering or medicine or this and that. And for that, what you have to do? For that one big piece of paper, to get that one big piece of paper, you have to study so many pieces of paper. What are textbooks? Pieces of paper. So many pieces of paper. And all through the year, you study so many pieces of paper. Finally, for what? Because the final exam comes another piece of paper called question paper. What is that question paper? That question paper is to check how much have you gone through all those pieces of paper throughout the year. And in order to prove to that piece of paper that I have gone through so many pieces of paper all through the year, you have to write on another piece of paper called answer paper. So finally, that one question paper which is checking how many pieces of paper you have studied thoroughly, and you have to jot down on that one answer paper, what is the end? You get that big piece of paper. Why? So that you can get these pieces of paper. What are we discussing? Story of pieces of paper. With those pieces of paper, you buy some property. That property belongs to you. When? When there is a piece of paper. 7-12 बोलते ना उसको. और तुम्हारे नाम का जब 7-12 आएगा, property papers. And then, when someone grows old, everything is on pieces of paper. What is it called? The will. Wasiyat. Therefore, it is said, where there is a will, there are many relatives. In fact, this was some few years ago, I went to renew my passport, and to the passport office over there, they were going through all the documents. You have to have proof of this, proof of that, your residential proof, your birth certificate. मैं बोला मैं इधर खड़ा हूँ जिंदा. Nobody looked at me. Certificate किधर? Piece of paper कहाँ है? If you do not have your birth certificate, even if you are alive, there is no proof. सब जगह है. Identity proof मांगते हैं. दे देखते हैं identity proof. वो उसके अंदर your existence is in that little smart card. उसके अंदर बंद करके रख दिया. इतना बड़ा मैं 5-6 फुट का खड़ा हूं जिंदा. प्रूव करके दिखाओ. प्रूव करके दिखाओ कि ये तुम ही है जो सांस ले रहा है, जिंदा है, तुम ही है. प्रूव करके दिखाओ. कैसे दिखा? पीस ऑफ पेपर. एवरीथिंग इज पीस ऑफ पेपर. इनफैक्ट कोई मर भी गया, उसका भी पीस ऑफ पेपर है. अभी भी विश्वास नहीं है. अरे उसको जला दिया, राख लेकर आ गए. नहीं, पीस ऑफ पेपर का है. डेथ सर्टिफिकेट का है. स्टोरी ऑफ पीसेस ऑफ पेपर.